Welcome back. I thought in this video I'd do a quick summary of where this project has gone in the last 4 months since I've wrapped up my career. I started with the rainwater tank. I had to make this road to the rainwater tank, do a bit of excavating, build a retaining wall, and this is a heritage tank. It's 185,000 litres or 50,000 gallons, and it came out awesome. Once I had that done, I levelled out the new workshop space and started drilling the piers. Now these piers range in depth from 1.2 metres to 3.7 metres, so it's about 4 feet up to about 14 feet. The whole series is called Building the Dream, so check my playlist if you're interested. This is the Rio going inside those piers, filling them with concrete. And you know, this work, it's not that exciting, but it has to be done, and it's all the groundworks really before you can start and get the satisfaction of actually seeing something go up. I put a new 3-phase power supply in, all underground. I measured up all the steel I needed because it's a complete custom build. I'll fabricate it myself. And I also got a new team member. So this is Jack. He is an Australian coolie and he's a great little dog. He's about 4 months old. We tidied up a bit of trenching.
Good work, Jack. Keep going. About another foot, mate. Oh, lovely work, Jack. Nice one. Hey, Jack. Looking good, eh?
I then completed the electrics with the main feed to the workshop. Put a heap of road base, levelled it out, and I've got to a point where it's basically ready now for the more exciting bit. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Well, there it is, all the prep work's now done. The metal's ready to go. I've levelled everything, and finally I'm going to get up to this structural build. I look forward to going through this whole thing with you guys. It's been a massive project so far, and this is the biggest project I've tackled, and there's a lot more to go. So finally it's getting to the more exciting bit. Have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you soon.